Hey Bucko, this is Captain Jack. In this video, we'll be seeing how we can generate Gerber or Excellon files. Whenever we make a board which is of multi-layered, which is a multi-layered board, and we want to get it manufactured from the PCB manufacturing company, we need to send them the Gerber files of our PCB design. So in Proteus, when generating a Gerber file, all we have to do is click on this output, generate Gerber or Excellon files. So it will show you a window that if we want to run the pre-production check, so click on yes. The pre-production check makes sure that there are no DRC errors, the imaging of every copper layer and every layer that is present on the board. So after all the tests are passed, there are no errors and no failures or warnings. Just click on close, and then over here we can select the layers. We can select the folder, the name of the file, and the layers that we want to generate the Gerber file of. So I've selected the top, bottom copper layers, silk layers, resist layers, assembly layers. So if we have some inner layers also, we will have to check them too. After that, just click on OK. I had previously made a CAD/CAM file, the Gerber file of this PCB, so I will just replace that one. Now once the Gerber file will be generated, we'll get an option to view the Gerber file. So when we get the option of the Gerber viewer, we can select the layers that we want to see. We can select all the layers, click on OK, and then the Gerber viewer will be generated. So this is how our Gerber file will look like when it is given to the PCB manufacturers. So we can once more check if there are any extra tracks and so on. If there is something that you find it is not the one thing that you have made, you can go back to the PCB layout, check it, and then again make the modifications and generate the Gerber file once again and replace the pre-existing file. So this is how we can make Gerber files in Proteus. So fellas, stay tuned for more features.